In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create new projects. Divi separates projects from posts and pages, and projects will be displayed when you use the portfolio module. For example, here's a portfolio I created using the portfolio module. Within this portfolio module is displayed my most recently added projects. So before you can use the portfolio module, you first need to add some projects. So let's see how to do that. When you enable Divi, you'll see a new item in your menu called Projects. Click that, and click the Add New Project to add a new project. And give your project a title. You can add some content. You can create categories for your projects, which are separate from your post categories. In this case, I'm going to add it to the category I already had there. And then you'll need to define a featured image, which will be used in the portfolio module. So click the Set Featured Image, and choose the main image that you'd like to represent this portfolio entry. Now you can also use the page builder to build more extensive and more dynamic project details. So you can always switch to the builder and use that instead. If you do not switch to the builder and use the default editor, you have a couple different layout options. Over here on the right, under the ET settings box, you can choose where your sidebar is aligned. You can have a left sidebar, a right sidebar, or a full width. So yeah, choose any of those. Those will not affect your layout if you're using the builder. They're only available in a standard project. So let's publish this. And then if we refresh our page with the module, portfolio module, you'll see that a new item has been added right here. Now if you click into one of these, this is an example of a default layout with no sidebar. So I'm going to edit this and switch the layout so you can see the difference. You can see full width is selected. I'm going to change that to left sidebar. Now when you view the project, you'll see a sidebar has been added to the left, and the project details that you saw on the previous screen have been added down here below. You can also switch the sidebar to the right. Or just put it back how it started with no sidebar, in which case the project details will come up and sit on the right side of the image. And that's a basic overview of how you create projects.